welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving into a fascinating topic, how paint color affects your mood. Did you know that the colors you choose for your home can have a profound impact on your emotions and well-being? In this video, we will explore the psychology of color and how different paint colors can influence your mood and create a certain atmosphere. Let's dive in. Color psychology is the study of how colors can affect human emotions, behavior, and even physiological reactions. It's a powerful tool that interior designers and homeowners alike can use to create spaces that evoke specific feelings and moods. Let's start with calming colors like blues and greens. These hues are often associated with tranquility, relaxation, and a sense of calm. Light blues, reminiscent of the sky or ocean, can create a serene and peaceful atmosphere in your space. Similarly, soft greens can bring a touch of nature indoors, promoting a feeling of harmony and balance. On the other end of the spectrum, we have energetic and vibrant colors like reds and yellows. Red is known to stimulate energy, passion, and even appetite. It's a bold choice that can add a sense of excitement and warmth to a room, making it a great option for dining areas or social spaces. Yellow, often associated with sunshine and happiness, can bring a cheerful and uplifting vibe to your home. Neutrals, including various shades of beige, gray, and taupe, are incredibly versatile and can create a range of moods. Light neutrals can evoke a sense of purity and simplicity, perfect for minimalist or Scandinavian-inspired spaces. Darker neutrals like deep grays can exude sophistication and elegance, making them a popular choice for modern and chic interiors. It's important to note that the impact of paint color on mood can vary depending on the room's function. For instance, in bedrooms, soothing and calming colors are often preferred to promote relaxation and better sleep quality. In home offices or study areas, focused and productive environments can be created with the use of muted blues or greens. When choosing paint colors for your home, it's also crucial to consider your personal preferences. Your individual associations with colors play a significant role in how they affect your mood. If a particular color makes you feel happy or nostalgic, incorporating it into your space can create a positive emotional connection. To create a harmonious and balanced color scheme, consider using the principles of color theory. Complementary colors, those opposite each other on the color wheel, can create a dynamic contrast, while analogous colors, those adjacent to each other, provide a more harmonious and soothing combination. In conclusion, paint color is a powerful tool that can greatly influence your mood and the overall atmosphere of your home. Whether you are aiming for a calming retreat, an energetic space, or a sophisticated haven, understanding the psychology of color can help you make informed choices that reflect your desired emotions and feelings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful home decor tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.